seatbelts fastened and to our pilots, turn off the seatbelt sign. You may now use the approved devices in airplane mode and enjoy over 700 movies and shows for free at alaskawifi.com. Headphones are always required when using those electronic devices. For everyone's safety this evening, please keep your nose and mouth covered during our flight. Also, please refrain from gathering near galleys, lavatories, and aisles. We do have 2 lavatories on board this evening, one in the forward galley, one in the aft galley. But for safety and security reasons, no lines can be formed. So before proceeding, take a look at the bulkheads. There is a placard indicating if the lavatories are available for use. Please do not line up. We just ask that you please make sure they're available before proceeding. Thank you for your understanding. Once it's safe for your crew members to get up, it'll be our pleasure to offer you a complimentary snack along with a beverage. It is a little bumpy this evening, ladies and gentlemen. As you notice, the seatbelt sign is on for everyone's safety. Inside that menu guide, there is a seat. In that menu guide in front of you is a listing of our beverage selections. We do have beer, wine, and cocktails available this evening for purchase. We do have non-alcoholic beverages as well. We kindly ask that you please do not remove your face covering when placing your orders. After your flight crew has proceeded to the next row, you can remove your mask. Also, after you sip or snack, kindly replace your mask back over your nose and mouth. Starting this month, we've upgraded our bottled water, plastic bottled waters to box water. And we also offer recyclable paper cups. Together we're trying to keep 1.8 pounds of plastic out of our landfills every year. In an effort to keep our cabin clean for this flight and future flights, please refrain from placing any trash directly in those seat back pockets in front of you. Throughout our travels this evening, your flight crew will be through the cabin multiple times with trash bags in our hand. To collect any items you'd like to discard, kindly pass them to the center aisle as we come through. And again, for everyone, I repeat, everyone's safety, please continue to remain seated with those seatbelts fastened until our pilots turn off the seatbelt sign this evening for your safety and safety of guests nearby. Thank you.